Hey guys, it's Caleb here at Thousands of Roots, and today we have a problem to solve. Yesterday we had some pretty crazy winds and it totally destroyed the duck kennel.
There's something else that happened with the wind. It pulled up the vinyl in our greenhouse here. So we're getting ready to plant a bunch of seeds in there. We want to keep it closed off.
We're going to take these old screws out and then actually put a strip of board here on top of the vinyl and screw it down on it to make it more secure.
Cool. So the front section came up. Then it rained inside. And today is the day. We've got a few things planted already, some lettuce, and these are some perennials that needed cold in order for the seeds to sprout. They haven't sprouted yet. I don't know if they will, but we'll see. So I've been ready to plant for days now. I'm super excited to be able to get some of our cold hardy things started, the brassicas and a few other things. So we want to make sure that this greenhouse is fully covered and so we can keep as much warmth in here as possible. I'm going to be busy today doing planting and pruning and transplanting and garden bed prepping, and it's just as much as I can. We finally have a warmer day. It's not sunny today, but it is a little warmer, so I'm going to be making the most of my time today getting some garden things ready. Kip is going to be off today teaching a class on gardening here locally, so he's going to be gone for most of the day. So just decided to let the children take over the vlog, and hopefully y'all enjoy being with them today.
So Josh keeps going, so you want me to go ahead and get up? You want me to go ahead and get up? Why do you want to get up over here so bad and not use the ladder?
Because it's funner. And that's why I think it's safer.
Okay. Joshy monkey. It makes it look too easy.
I don't know if you guys can tell, but that was the dog kennel that we had our ducks in. A huge wind blew, and this is what happened to it. It was actually in the weeds back there on this fencing. Let me show you here. It was actually right back here, this area, but we just pulled it off the fencing and stuff. And it's not really usable anymore. Quite broken. Look at this pool over here. It's not even attached anymore. Yeah, we're gonna have to figure something else out. Now in the daytime, we just let the ducks out, but in the nighttime, we put them in the kennel to keep them safe. We found a solution. We're gonna put up some electric poultry net to keep them safe. And we'll let them out of it in the daytime, then put them back in at night to keep them safe. Got out of the bag now. And these are the corner posts. Ah! I'm hiding!
Hang on, I'm doing it. It's not done.
One corner's done. The next corner's in. post right there. So we had a little bit too much fencing, so we just looped it back through here, over to here, and now we got a bunch of corner posts in, just to keep it steady. That can be the gate. Now, we don't know what this little piece is exactly for. We don't know if we need to connect it to this or something, or if we can just connect from our charger over there. Don't know if you can see it. It's not that solar panel, but that thing on the T-post that has white wire coming off it. We don't know if we can just hook that with another wire right onto here, and if that will work. Just if we just tie on one of those wires, you know, and then it'll charge the whole thing, or if we need to like put this on, because the other end has like a piece that this plugs into, so we don't know exactly. Okay, so what we did is we undid Sam, going to some garbage here. We undid this fencing from this piece down here. You just unscrew this, and you have some pieces in there, and you just can take this piece out and put the new one on. Right there, red piece. Then we took this wire and took it this way over to the electric, and now we're just winding it into this piece all the way down here. Now we made this little loop thing here. You want to demonstrate how it works? Loop.
Sure.
So you just unhook that, then you can get through, and then put it back. And put it back. Oh, to get it back attached. There we go. Now we gotta test it to see if it works. How do I show you this? It's working really well. Well, here, maybe if I catch one of the lower wires, I can actually set you guys down on the ground. Yeah, there you guys go. We can see all the way up to 5. Well, yeah, I think you guys can too. It's working! Yay! Fencing is finished, and this is what it looks like. Okay guys, that's it for this vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. We pray blessings over you and yours. Please like, share, and subscribe. And whenever you do it with your whole heart. Look at Naomi's favorite spot. Cuddled up in blankets right by the wood cook stove.